Why did robotics history bring philosophical changes? Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and maybe even feel. The story of robotics is not just about building robots, it's about changing how we see ourselves. As robots became smarter and more autonomous, questions about what it means to be human started to surface. This shift has pushed philosophy to ask new questions that were once considered only for humans. From the earliest days, creating machines that can perform tasks without human help made people wonder about intelligence. Could a machine really think or just follow instructions? As technology improved, robots started to act more independently, which made us question if they could have qualities like consciousness or moral responsibility. These ideas challenge the traditional view that only humans can think and feel. One of the most famous contributions to this debate came from Isaac Asimov, who created the Three Laws of Robotics. These laws were meant to keep robots safe and ethical around people. They made us think about how to program robots to act morally and responsibly. This was a big step because it showed that ethics could be built into machines, not just humans. As robots grew more advanced, philosophers began to wonder if robots could have rights or even feelings. This field, called Robophilosophy, asks if robots might one day be considered persons. If robots could think or suffer, it would change how we treat them and how we see our own moral duties. It pushes us to rethink what it means to be a person and what kind of moral consideration we owe to machines. The impact of robotics on society also stirred philosophical questions. Automation was replacing jobs, and delegating decisions to machines raised concerns about morality and control. Philosophers started to ask if technology is serving humanity or if it's taking over. They questioned the goals guiding robotics development and whether these goals align with human values. In the end, the history of robotics has changed philosophy because it makes us look at ourselves differently. It challenges ideas about intelligence, autonomy, and morality. It forces us to think about how technology and human life are connected. This ongoing conversation helps shape how robots are built and how we understand our place in a world shared with intelligent machines.